Welcome to the Quantum Crypto Trading Bot Dashboard tutorial. In this guide, we will walk you through the features and functionalities of your Quantum Crypto Trading Bot dashboard. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this tutorial will help you make the most out of your trading bot. This is your landing page after login. It provides an overview of your account and recent activity. Here is your total in position, which represents the current profit/loss of your open positions in euros. The total amount represents the total fees paid in euros. Your current profit is based on your starting balance and the current amount in assets. The total in assets value is in your quote currency, based on your balances and the current rates on the markets. Only assets which have a market with your quote currency are calculated in this total. The start balance is the initial amount of capital you begin with, used to track the performance of your trading bot by comparing it with your current balance to determine profits or losses. Open positions refer to the trades that are currently active and have not yet been closed, reflecting the ongoing investment in the market and its current value. You can use the filter input to filter open positions based on currency. The display includes various columns such as currency, amount, cost, results, and age of each position. You can also select the column you want to display. This is your Trade History tab, which displays a record of all completed trades, including details such as currency, trade pairs, type, date, amounts, and exit prices, and overall results, allowing you to review and analyze past trading activity. Here is the Change Start Balance option, which allows you to update your start balance based on your new initial capital or to reset it for performance tracking purposes. Here are your bot actions, where you can toggle which actions you wish to perform. You can enable or disable the bot itself, as well as toggle buying or selling actions. Congratulations! You've now completed the Quantum Crypto Trading Bot Dashboard tutorial. You should have a solid understanding of how to navigate and utilize the various features to optimize your trading experience. Start exploring your Quantum Crypto Trading Bot Dashboard today and take control of your trading strategies. Maximize your potential and achieve your trading goals.